get you some updates from the national capital. There is a constant surge in the number of cases that has been reported in the national capital. In fact, in the last 1 week, Delhi has reported over 12,000 cases. But Delhi's infrastructure, is it ready to handle this kind of load? Remember, the Delhi government had proposed setting up a new hospital in Burari with the 450 beds for corona patients. Now, 2 floors have been given for COVID. However, the hospital currently is still under construction and there are no arrangements being made for the oxygen supply so far. Only the beds have been kept inside and it is far from ready at this point.
Delhi is trying to set up 80,000 beds all across the city for the COVID patient. In the wake of that, they are making various places, in fact, converting various places into the makeshift hospital. But we are reporting from one of the hospitals. This is super specialty hospital, which was supposed to be built as of now and in fact given to the patients. But as of now, that is not had happened. But the irony of the situation is 2 days ago, Delhi Chief Minister came here and visited this hospital, which is under construction, and he announced that this hospital will be given to the COVID patient. 450 beds will be allocated and 2 floors are there for their COVID patients. In fact, we are reporting from 5th floor. I'm just like to show you, my video journalist Sonu will show you, this is the lobby, and here you can see there are separate rooms, and in these rooms there are beds which are for COVID patient. What we are getting to know, only beds are there, but no other equipments are there. In fact, there is the oxygen supply, you can see, that has come over here. But when it will start, nobody knows. Apart from that, the electricity, if you see, the electricity is also not there properly. There are wires which are there, but when it will be start, nobody knows. No AC, no air condition, cleaning is not at all over here. So what we can learn from our sources in the government, because no timeline has been given, so the work is already hampering. The construction workers who were there in the hospital, they are telling us that because of the lockdown, many workers have already gone back to their homes. So the construction work is already delayed. But as of now, you can see this is the hospital, this is the rooms which will be dedicated for COVID patient, but only beds are there, nothing equipped, no equipment is there. So definitely nobody knows when the COVID patients will come. And as of now, the situation of this hospital is far from the reality. With video journalist Sonu, I am Alok for Mirror Now.